The process all invest today, we sacrifice today for tomorrow's betterment. But here's the truth: if you don't even know what that betterment looks like, how can you win this war? Ask yourself, if you had just 6 months to live, what would you do differently? Would you still waste time complaining, doubting, hesitating, or would you finally live like your life actually mattered? Because if your life right now isn't what you want it to be, if it's not giving you what you truly desire, then it's time to ask yourself, what have I sold my soul for? A real man, a real woman, works when no one's watching. When the coach isn't looking, they're still studying the game. When the lights go off, they're still chasing greatness. Because they don't do it for applause, they do it because they love the process. But listen, a lion isn't a lion just because of how ferocious he looks when he hunts. The lion's power isn't in the kill, it's in the hunt. It's the process that excites him. The chase, the grind, the hunger, that's what makes him who he is. And that's what separates the dreamers from the doers. You say you want the prize, but do you love the process? When you take the courage to step into the center of your fear, you'll discover something surprising. There's nothing there but layers of fear itself. So, stop running, face it, and give 100% every single time. Because this opportunity, this moment might not come again. Tomorrow isn't promised. Next year isn't guaranteed. This right now is your moment, and you better take advantage of it. You've hit the wall before. You've looked in the mirror and wanted to quit. But if you want change, you've got to move. Not later. Now. The journey isn't easy. But before you start it, you must fuel yourself with the right reasons. Because reasons are what carry you when motivation fades. Everyone starts strong, but only those who love the process endure to the end. You don't need to be the most talented, the most gifted, the smartest, or the strongest. You just need to be the most consistent. Because you might come from privilege. You might have connections. You might even get a head start, but you will never outwork me. So, grow up, step up, and make this promise. If you ever get beaten, let it be because they were more talented, not because you beat yourself. Fall in love with the process, because the process is what makes the prize worth it. Watch this every morning to fuel your focus, discipline, and drive. Subscribe for more motivational content from Z Media.